I am so excited all around here. Look, 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 look. There's bees. Can you see those bees? And they're so cute. They're bumblebees. Oh, can you see this one? Hey, here, Bumblebee. Bumblebees do not sting.
Don't you love it when someone's loud and wrong? Bumblebees do sting. It's the males that don't sting, but the workers and the queen will sting you, and they'll bite. But their bite is only a defensive weapon and doesn't really hurt. You ever wonder why bees fly around you? It's because they're attracted to your sweat. A little nasty, but it's the truth. Some of the reasons that I really love bumblebees is because they're so fluffy and soft and brown, and they're really friendly insects. Bumblebees are master pollinators. They're excellent at their job. One of those reasons is because they're furry. That fur collects pollen, which they comb out. Having said that, bee populations are on the decline. Hey guys, we have about 10 years after bees disappear before we do too. Protect the bees.